Hey guys, so let's compare the specs of the newly announced Ulefone Note 17 Pro with the Blackview A200 Pro. These two devices are very similar devices. That's why I'll be comparing the specs of the two devices in this video so we could point out the differences and similarities between the two smartphones. So without further ado, let's dig in. So as you can see guys, both devices are very similar guys. There is little to no differences between both devices, and I expect the Note 17 Pro to have a similar price as the Blackview A200 Pro. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Which of the two devices do you prefer? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.